Welcome to a quick and easy guide for how to add Module 00 to your WebCT class. Now this Module 00 will help students and their computers get ready for any of the online classes we offer here at Virtual High School. So let's take a look at how to add this to your WebCT shell. Your first step is to download this Module 00 zip file from the Interact forums. Once you've downloaded it to your computer, you need to go to your class in WebCT, and you have to upload that to your shell. To do that, you're going to go to Control Panel, Manage Files, and click Upload. We'll need to find that file, so we click Browse, Module 00, and upload it. Once that file is uploaded, your next step is to create a folder under the Actions menu. So click Create Folder, and we're going to call this Mod 00. Click Create. Your next step is to unzip that to that Mod 00 folder. To do that, you're going to click next to the zipped folder. You're going to click Unzip in the Action menu. You're going to find that folder called Mod 00, and we're going to unzip it. So now we've unzipped all of that material to Mod 00. What you need to do now is make a way for your students to access that material. And the way you're going to do that is by going to your course content. We're going to add a page or tool, and we're going to add a content module. We're going to call this content module Module 00. We're going to add it on the organizer page, and we're going to click Add. Alright. So now that you have this, you need to click on the backpack, and we're going to add those files. To add the files, you need to find them in WebCT. The easiest way to do that is by looking at the name of the files, and we're going to look for one called Mod 00. And there it is. Now there's several files we're going to add here. To add them all at once, hold your Control key while you click. So let's look for our files. The first one that we need is Start Here. So we're going to click on that. The next one that you need is called Getting Ready. We'll also need the discussion file, the evaluation file, and the evaluation is a project that has 3 parts. Right, so in the About Me section, click parts 1, 2, and 3, and then click Add. So you've now added all the files that you need. We now need to put them in the correct order. To do that, we're going to click right next to Start Here, and we're going to move that up by 5. And then we're going to move it up by 1. The next one is called Getting Ready, and we're going to move that one up by 5. The next one is Discussion. We're going to move that up by 3. The one after that is the Evaluation. We're going to move that one also up by 3. And then we just need to indent, by using indent and item more, each of the 3 parts. Okay, so you've now successfully added all of the files to your WebCT course. There's 3 assignments for your students to do in this Module 00. There's a discussion, there's an assignment, and there's a quiz. So let's go add those real quick. To do that, we're going to click on Discussion. We're going to create a topic in the Action menu, and the first discussion is called 00 Profile Discussion. And click Create. The next thing you're going to add is the assignment. We're going to click Add in your Action menu, and that assignment is called 00 The About Me Project. And finally, we're going to add the quiz. Now there's a quiz that's been provided for you. So to use that quiz, you have to click where it says Question Database. And what we're going to do in the Action menu is import questions from a file. So we need to browse to find that file. That file is called gettingreadyquiz.wct, so click next to that and click Add Selected, and then Import. It's going to show you all of the questions. It's important that you note that questions 1, 2, and 3 are about your welcome letter and about your course expectations, so you need to change those questions, or if you don't want to use them, just delete them. After you've looked at the questions, click Continue. Right, now we're ready to make that quiz, so click on Quizzes and Tests again, click Create a Quiz. Right, we're going to call this quiz 00 Getting Ready Quiz. And then click Create. And now you need to add those questions. To add those questions, we're going to click on the quiz itself. We're going to click Add Questions. And there they are from the Getting Ready Quiz. So click all 10 of them. Unless, of course, you're not going to use the first 3 because they're about your welcome letter and your course expectations. And click Add Selected. Then you need to point each of these quizzes, or each of these questions. I'm making them at 1 point each. You can make them at whatever your heart desires, and update the total. Alright, so you've now added all the files. You've added the discussion assignment, the project assignment, and the quizzes and tests. Your last step, as always, is to update your student view, and click Update. Now if you go in and look at this in WebCT on the instructor side, you're going to notice it looks a little different than what the students see. If you want to see what the students see, go ahead and log out and then log in as one of the students, and you'll get a much better view of what it looks like. That's it. This concludes how to add Module 00 to your WebCT class.